Welcome to Airline Hydraulics and the 2-minute training session. Today we'll be discussing Murr. Murr has a number of different products, but the one in specific today we'll be talking about is the Insulation Displacement connector. This connector, as seen in this coming photo, is basically an M12 4-pin connection that we'll be discussing. Murr has a number of different style insulation displacement connectors, whether M8, M12, 4-pin, 3-pin, male or female. There are four major components to these: the cap, the strain relief, the wire guide, and the actual connector. The wire guide basically has four holes, and it guides the wire into the connector. They're numbered 1 through 4, and their colors correspond with normal sensor color wiring, and in the order that they would be inserted together. Insert the wire through the cap and then into the strain relief. The strain relief has a notch in it which will fit into the wire guide. After the wires are inserted through the strain relief and into the wire guide, you can see the excess wire at the bottom. This excess wire will be trimmed off with either a diagonal cutter or, in this case, a nail clipper. The connection should be flush to the wire guide. This will ensure no stray wires will be left in the connector that could possibly cause a short. As you put the wire guide into the connector itself, it is keyed, so it can only go in one way. Tighten the cap. As you do so, it will force the wire guide into the connector. Tighten until the green line or green gasket is completely covered. This will ensure for a proper connection. These types of connections are very efficient and can reduce your wiring time by several minutes. Thank you for joining us on our 2-minute training segment from Airline Hydraulics.